Once again, a warm, once again, a warm and
Kumar, 1 second. Sir, Murali
sir.
Purushothaman, sir, shall we start the meeting?
സാർ നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം.
What about Judge, Honorable Judge? Murali Purushothaman, sir, sir.
Sir, shall we start?
Okay, what about Murali Purushothaman, sir? Any problem?
സാറ് ലീവായോന്ന് സംശയമുണ്ട് സാറേ. നമ്പർ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും
Connection or anything?
ലീവായിട്ടില്ല ടീച്ചറെ, ലീവായിട്ടില്ല.
സാർ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Sir, you are muted.
Me?
No, Justice Murali Purushothaman, sir.
യെസ് സാറുണ്ട്.
Sir?
സാറ് ലീവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുമായിരിക്കും.
Okay.
Sir, Justice Murali Purushothaman, sir, shall we start the meeting?
Jamal, 1 second, Jamal, 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Some problem for his camera. So we can wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, shall we start the
Yes,
meeting?
yes. I'm sorry. There was some
Okay.
problem with my
Okay.
now my laptop. Okay.
Okay, Jamal, we can start the meeting.
Yeah.
So once again, a warm and hearty welcome to one and all present here. Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Sri.Nyle Law College cordially presents before you an online certificate course on child laws. And we all are here for the official inauguration of this truly respectable initiative. And I take this opportunity to appreciate Sri.Nyle Kumar sir, course coordinator, for conducting this certificate course. Every nation developed or developing links its future with the status of the child. Childhood holds the potential and also sets the limits to the child. Human rights professionals recognize the need for protection of minors, and millions of children are estimated to experience physical, sexual, or emotional violence every year. To defend the rights of children, it's essential to know them. And through this online course, you will learn how child protection is enshrined in national and international human rights law. Anyway, I'm not going deep into the contents of the course. So let's start the program. First of all, let me invite Srimati Sindhu Soman, Vice Principal of Sri.Nyle Law College, to deliver her welcome address. Over to you, ma'am.
Good evening, all. Respected our Secretary of SNDP Yogam, Sri Arun Kant, respected Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Murali Purushothaman, respected Principal Raghunathan Sir, respected Academic Coordinator Suresh Sir, my all fellow colleagues, the participants of this course, and all dear students. So it's a very proud moment given to me to render the welcome address for this program. This is the inaugural program for our certificate courses. Actually, we started with the online certificate courses during the time of lockdown and all. After, when we reopened, we had very successful 5 certificate courses. And this year, I really congratulate Nyle Kumar sir for having ventured this online. Second time he is actually starting with the certificate course on child laws. So let me start with my duty. First of all, I would like to welcome our respected Secretary, Sri Arun Kant, who is representing the SNDP Yogam, our management, who support us for all our academic and non-academic activities. And I welcome you, sir, to this inaugural function. Next, it's my privilege to welcome you, sir, our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Murali Purushothaman. So, with great respect from the bottom of my heart, in the name of my college and IQAC and management, I welcome you, sir, to this inaugural function. Next, our backbone and support, our beloved principal, Sri Raghunathan sir, who is always there. No need to welcome him for this function, but still, as part of my duty, I welcome Dr. Raghunathan sir to this inaugural function.
Thank you, sir.
Now, once again, we have our academic coordinator of SN institutions, Sri Suresh sir, who is always there as a support for our activities. I welcome you, sir, to this function. Now, next is my duty to welcome all my fellow colleagues, especially IQAC coordinator Priyanka, then the course coordinator of this course, Sri.Nyle Kumar, then Jomol, Vidya Kishan, who are rendering their duty as part of this function, and all my dear colleagues, participants of this course, as well as all students who are here during this meeting. I welcome you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your heartwarming welcome. With deepest honor, I invite Sri K.K. Arun Khan, Secretary, SNDP Yogam, for the presidential address. Over to you, sir.
ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട ഉദ്ഘാടകൻ ജസ്റ്റിസ് മുരളി പുരുഷോത്തമൻ സർ, നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും പ്രിയങ്കരനായ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ രഘുനന്ദൻ സാർ, വൈസ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പളായ സിന്ധു ടീച്ചർ, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ അക്കാഡമിക് കോർഡിനേറ്റർ സുരേഷ് സാർ, മറ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികൾ, അതേപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ അധ്യാപകരെ, ഇന്ന് ഈ ചടങ്ങിൻ്റെ അധ്യക്ഷത വഹിക്കേണ്ടിയിരുന്നത് ശ്രീനാരായണ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളുടെ മാനേജറായ ശ്രീ എൻ മണിയപ്പൻ അവറുകളാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് വ്യക്തിപരമായ ചില കാരണങ്ങളാൽ വരാൻ സാധിക്കാത്തത് കൊണ്ടാണ് ഇത്തരമൊരു ഫംഗ്ഷന് ഞാൻ അധ്യക്ഷത വഹിക്കേണ്ട ഒരു സാഹചര്യം ഉണ്ടായത്. എന്നിരുന്നാലും ശ്രീനാരായണ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളിലെ 9 സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളിലായി നമുക്ക് ഏകദേശം 7500ഓളം കുട്ടികൾ പല സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളിലായി നമ്മളിവിടെ പഠിച്ചു പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പം അത്തരം ഒരു സാഹചര്യത്തിലൂടെ കടന്നു പോകുന്ന വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ സ്ഥാപനത്തിൽ ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള ഒരു കോഴ്സുകൾ സംഘടിപ്പിക്കുകയും അതിനു വേണ്ട ഒരു ചൈൽഡ് ലോയെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം അത്തരത്തിലുള്ള നിയമങ്ങൾ പഠിപ്പിക്കുകയും അത് മറ്റുള്ളവരിലേക്ക് അറിവിലേക്കായി എത്തിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള പ്രവൃത്തികൾ, ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ നമുക്ക് കൂടുതൽ പ്രയോജനകരമാകും എന്നുള്ള കാര്യത്തിൽ സംശയമില്ല. ശ്രീനാരായണ ലോ കോളേജിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം നമ്മൾ കോളേജ് തുടങ്ങി 2012 കോളേജ് തുടങ്ങി നാളിതുവരെ എല്ലാ വർഷവും നമുക്ക് റാങ്കുകൾ കരസ്ഥമാക്കാൻ സാധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ നിലവാരത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ ഉയർന്നു തന്നെ നിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരു കോളേജാണ്. അപ്പം അത്തരത്തിൽ നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് പോകുന്ന കുട്ടികളിൽ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ നിലവാരം ഉയർച്ചയിലെത്തിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള കോഴ്സുകൾ സംഘടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന നമ്മുടെ അധ്യാപകർ, അതിനുവേണ്ടി കഠിന പ്രയത്നം നടത്തുന്ന അധ്യാപകർ നമുക്കുള്ളതിനാലാണ് ഇത്തരം കോഴ്സുകൾ ഇവിടെ നടന്നത്. എന്നിരുന്നാലും നമ്മൾ കൂടുതലായി ഈ ചൈൽഡ് ലോയെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം നമുക്കിന്നിപ്പോൾ കോഴ്സ് കോർഡിനേറ്ററായ കുമാർ സാറുണ്ട്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ മറ്റ് ഈ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ സംഘടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന മറ്റാളുകളുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്തരം ഒരു അവസരത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ ഈ ചൈൽഡ് ലോയെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം വിശദമായ ഒരു വിവരണമൊന്നും ഞാൻ നൽകാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നില്ല. നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും കാതോർത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ ഓണറബിൾ ജസ്റ്റിസ് മുരളി പുരുഷോത്തമൻ സാറിൻ്റെ സ്പീച്ച് കേൾക്കാനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ കൂടുതലായും ദീർഘിപ്പിക്കാതെ തന്നെ അദ്ദേഹത്തിലേക്ക് ഞാൻ കൈമാറുകയാണ്. ഈ ചടങ്ങ് ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി ഇവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിട്ടുള്ള മുരളി പുരുഷോത്തമൻ സാറിനെ ഞാൻ അതിനുവേണ്ടി ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു.
Thank you, Arun sir, for your kind words. I now take this opportunity to invite Dr. Raghunathan K.R., our beloved principal, our mentor, and our guide, for his presidential address. Over to you, sir.
Not a presidential address, principal's address.
Sorry, sir.
So good evening to Hon'ble, the president of the function, Sri Arun Kant, Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Honorable Justice Sri Murali Purushothaman sir, our academic auditor, Sri Suresh sir, our Vice Principal, Srimati Sindhu Soman, our faculties, Srimati Jomol, Dia Kishan, and course coordinator, Kumar sir, IQAC coordinator Priyanka, and other teachers and participants of the function. You may well aware about the importance of the child. The future of India lies in the hands of the children because they are the tomorrow's youth, and day after tomorrow or after a few years, they can contribute a lot of things to the development of this country. So children or their rights have much importance. The rights of the children, comparing with the rights of the other persons, the most important thing is they have right to free thinking, right to enjoy their rights, and to work hard or to utilize their energy for effective development of their personality and the overall development of their life. So when comparing with the rights of the children, that is the most important thing. So there are a lot of laws in India and the UN conventions which protect the rights of the child. We have CRC Convention on Rights of the Child, contains 54 articles, deals with almost all aspects of child rights. The said convention concentrates on all children are equal and have the same rights, and every children has the right to have his or her basic needs to be fulfilled. every child has the right to protection from abuse and exploitation. And every child has the right to express his or her opinion and to be respected. So the child rights, that is, that is the most important thing when comparing with the development of the nation. If we can provide a good education, a good character development, then no doubt our society, India will be one of the major country in the world. So we have to give much importance to the rights of the child. We have a lot of legal rights provides to protect the rights of the children. We have constitution protects the rights of the child. So almost all aspects of the child are protected. But still, what is the in effect? When we are analyzing the practical aspects, there are a lot of what we can call sexual abuse cases against the children. More than 50% of the children in India are in one way or other affected with this sexual abuse. And most of these cases are from their near relatives, parents or their near relatives. That is a sad state of the situation or the rise of the child in India. So we have acts, we have POCSO Act, that means prevention of the sexual abuse. We have JJ Act to protect the rights and to prevent these crimes committed by the children. We have Child Marriage Prohibition Act. We have Labor Prohibition Act, Child Labor Prohibition Act, and numerable legislation industries and other fields protect the rights of the child. But still, what is the present stage of the child? So understand laws and communicate with the other groups or the society members for protecting the right of the child. That is the only remedy to develop or to encourage or to protect the rights of the child. So we need the effective implementation of the laws. That is the most important thing. And I am confident that this will, to certain extent, to develop, understand more about the legal rights and to effectively implement such rights in society. So all the participants, they will get a good opportunity. They will be gifted, I think, after completing this certificate. And in future, we will conduct more certificate courses which are more relevant to the society to protect the rights of the citizens in India. So I congratulate all the participants who take the initiative to join the certificate course. Congratulate the course coordinator. The backbone. He is the adamant supporter of what protect the child laws in India. So I wish all success. I wish all success to all participants of the certificate course. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable words and thoughts on the rights of children, various legislations, and the problems faced by the children. Thank you, sir. No event comes up without a formal inauguration, and thus we have our Honorable Justice Murali Purushothaman, sir, to inaugurate this event and deliver the inaugural address. Justice Murali Purushothaman, a native of Aluva, graduated in law from the Government Law College, Ernakulam. He was a practicing lawyer in the High Court of Kerala. He served as the standing counsel for the state and the Central Election Commissions. His justice was appointed as the additional judge of Honorable High Court of Kerala in November 2021, and now he is serving as the judge of Honorable High Court of Kerala. Dear students, we all are blessed to have an erudite person like him to inaugurate this online certificate course on child law and listen to his lordship words. So without much delay, I invite his lordship to inaugurate this function. Sir, please.
Good evening, everybody. Respected Mr. Rikunath, Principal, Sri.Nyle Law College, and my classmate, Dr. Sindhu Soman, the Vice Principal, Srimati Sindhu Soman, the Vice Principal, then Mr. Anil Kath, the Secretary of the institution, the coordinators, the students, and all those who are attending this function online. I should first of all congratulate the coordinators and organizers to commence such a course, such a certificate course. See, because this, before I talk about the course, I would say that the topic you have selected or the subject you have selected for the course, that is very unique because that relates to child laws. See, we have about more than 250 statutes with regard to child laws. Still, in spite of all this, we see that children are being abused, and we are reading this in newspapers. So this is a unique, very unique subject. And I would see you will be learning more about the child laws and the rights of child in the course that will be in which we will be participating shortly. I would like to talk more about the course because I'm happy to learn that there are about more than 5 certificate courses organized by the institution. And the unique feature of a certificate course is that you can do it simultaneously along with your LLB degree course. I'm told that the college is offering 3 different courses: LLB Ons, I think BBA LLB, and for LLB for 3-year course. Now, if your law degree is your burger, this is an extra cheese because you can always do this course simultaneously along with your main course. In fact, I was a student of a certificate course when I was aged 48 years. And I was the oldest student in that course. The Kerala, our legislative assembly, they are conducting a course by name, that's the Center for Parliamentary Studies. They are conducting a course by name CPST, the certificate course in parliamentary studies. I joined as a student of that certificate course when I was 48 years. Because you don't have any age restrictions, I am told, for this course also for joining the course. I was the oldest student in the class. And I completed that course in the year, I think, 2018 or so. And next year, I was invited to be a guest faculty of the course. And from 2018 onwards, till my elevation as a judge, I was teaching the students of that certificate course as a guest faculty. And I also joined another course of the American Bar Association with regard to legal ethics. So it's a passion. It's good because of time restrictions and other factors. For the time being, I'm not in a position to join any certificate course. Otherwise I would have definitely joined this course also. So this is something which you can do along with your studies. There is no, see, the LLB course and all that's confined to 4 walls of the law college building. But as far as the certificates course are concerned, see, it is reaching the lap and the palms of students or even overseas. You can do this course if you have a computer online. So there's no need to go to college and attend this course. You can do it while you're prosecuting your studies in law. So I should congratulate the organizers for starting this certificate course. That too, the subject is very unique, as I said. You can also start more and more courses on other subjects which will be having relevance in the during this time. So as I told you, if this is your burger, you can have extra cheese like lot of certificate course along with your LLB degree. Have more cheese on your burger. I congratulate you. I congratulate the organizers, and I thank you for inviting me this to this function also. I formally declare this course as inaugurated. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So we are thankful to you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to inaugurate the ceremony. It's a great opportunity for all of us to have you with us. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome Sri.Nyle Veladhan sir, our academic coordinator, to felicitate the gathering. Suresh.
Okay. Honorable Justice Murali sir, our chief guest of the day, Dr. Raghunathan sir, our beloved principal, our beloved secretary is here with us for presiding this meeting. Sindhu Miss, our vice principal is here. Priyanka Miss, and all other teachers of the course coordinator Nyle Kumar sir, and those who are attending this meeting from all over. I think you are from, as our chief guest said, from abroad also. I think so. Warm good evening to one and all. As you all aware that our college is always trying to impart quality law education to the people, not for the students, also the public also, imparting quality law education. As a part of internal quality assurance cell, we are conducting a lot of programs, and this is a very important one as we consider it as the quality enhancement series programs the college is organizing every year. And as our chief guest told, the topic this year suggested or taken is very, very important from all aspects. Our children as well as women are facing a lot of atrocities. We have a lot of laws, but people are not much aware about the laws. Otherwise, they will not commit any crimes. Some people are aware, but they are not bothered about the punishment also. So all should be oriented regarding the laws as well as the punishment. It's a very important series. Definitely, our IPSC, internal quality assurance, a lot of things they are doing. I wish all of them all the best on behalf of my part and from side of the management. All support will be there. Go ahead. We always with you. And I sincerely appreciate the effort and the effort and interest taken by the members, faculty members, to conduct such add-on courses. It will be very benefit or fruitful to the society. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Nice evening. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Nothing is complete without gratitude. So now I invite Srimati Vidya Kishan, Assistant Professor of Sri.Nyle Law College, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening, all. It is my privilege to propose vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard to make this function possible. First of all, I would like to thank our Chief Guest, Sri Murali Purushothaman Sir, Hon'ble Judge of High Court of Kerala, who spent his busiest time gracing this occasion. Today, we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this is definitely encouraging us. Thank you, sir, for being with us today. Next, I would like to thank our manager, Sri Maniyappan Sir, and our secretary, Arun Kant Sir. Their visions are the leading light of SN institutions. Thank you, sir, for your presence. Next, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Raghunathan Sir. He is always with us through his proper guidance and support. Thank you, sir. I take this opportunity to thank Vice Principal Srimati Sindhu Soman and our academic coordinator, Suresh Veladhan Sir. They are always inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power. I would like to express my gratitude to Sri.Nyle Kumar Sir, course coordinator. Without him, this day is not possible. Thank you, sir. I thank all the faculty, especially Srimati Priyanka Prasad, IQC coordinator, and students who are attending this function. Once again, thank you, all of you.
Finally, we come to an end of this inaugural program. Thanks to all the dignitaries for participating in the event. Have a great evening. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.